Managing the distribution of goods in the retail world is unique in many respects. For this reason, to successfully fulfill your role and keep your busy supply chain running, optimizing on the go is your only option. Hi, I'm Chris, National Sales Rep for Anderson Trucking Service. When it comes to prioritizing your success with the retail and general merchandise transportation, there are many steps you can take. Number one, developing relationships with your core providers. With the right partnerships in your corner, the process of moving your freight can become second nature. Though it will take commitment initially for finding, vetting, and selecting great providers, some of the most fruitful shipper-provider relationships extend beyond the business world. Here are the things you should do to develop and maintain the healthiest, most mutually beneficial transportation provider relationships possible. Make communication and responsiveness expectations clear during vetting procedures. Agree to preferred methods for how concerns will be addressed when they come up. Regularly schedule quarterly or monthly meetings with the specific goals of discussing what's working and what's not. Ensure that your preferred procedures for appointment scheduling, loading, and post-delivery follow-ups are communicated from the get-go. Number two, building your network based on each provider's areas of strength. For retailers, selecting transportation companies with the ability to come through for them whenever they need them to, even on short notice, is non-negotiable. That said, too many shipments fail due to crossed wires and inflated expectations for one transportation company or another. So here's what you need to keep in mind. Transportation companies have established areas of strength. These are areas, regions, or locations in which a carrier is strongest. In these locations, your carrier can offer competitive pricing and reliable service. When vetting your transportation partner, be sure to ask each company questions about capabilities and regional preferences. A few of these questions might look like this. What areas do you feel strongest in? How many trucks and trailers can you dedicate to this area? Do you feel comfortable handling X amount of loads per week, month, or year? All of these questions can help you choose the right provider for you. In fact, if you really want to vet your next provider, we have a resource made just for you titled 7 Keys to Transportation Success in the Retail General Merchandise Industry. Go ahead and click the link in the description below and it will take you to a free downloadable tool that will help you become the shipper that always delivers. Thank you and have a great day.